Now we're headed out to put a new hose to run to our dogs' little area that we got set up for them.
This morning at 7 o'clock. He's still gone. Haven't heard from him.
You practicing your cow tool with your goats?
Yep. She said, yep.
What does she use that flag for? Like, what's she gonna use that flag for?
To get behind the, make the cows move. She don't like to holler.
Like from her horse, she's gonna like wave it. That's for the pigs.
Mm-hmm.
This is our goat that she's been sick. She actually looks better than she was looking. Hey, girl. And this is Mabel. She's one OG, old original gangster. Been here with us from the beginning since we had goats. She was in the first group. The people we got her from, I think they called her Maybell. And somehow we misheard that and started calling her Mabel, and then realized years later that it was actually Maybell. But now we're done in the habit of Mabel, so I don't think she cares. It's your new goat, Haven. This is Haven's goat. Doe that'll have babies for her, and then she'll sell the babies for money, and then she invests her money.
Look, she don't want me to pet her, but she don't want to leave that feed.
She just had to make a choice. That's Polly.
Oh, watch out. Move. Move. Move.
We'll probably have her forever.
Move.
But she's our jumper. She can clear any fence we've got out here. Her and one more. Lacey is her name. Her and her. Polly, and that's Lacey. Lacey right there. They can both jump over the fence. Oh, she almost got a pet her. She got a tinkle.
Gosh,
came from a 80-acre farm. 80 acres, right? She was on 80 acres, right? With a bunch of other goats. Moonlight, wasn't she on 80 acres with a bunch of other goats? So she's just, you know, not really a people goat yet. She hasn't ever been petted or anything like that. So, but we like to get our goats gentle, so it's just a lot easier to work on when they get sick or whatever. You need to trim their hooves. Working. That was a good first day. Yeah.
Maybe 6 days or better.
Yeah. All right, we got us a new rigged up job here. I'm gonna have to edit that out. Now we're gonna get some water over to the dogs. Okay, now I'm gonna introduce y'all to our very, very important cow dogs. They make the show go. Without them, oh, we'd be in trouble. This is Uno. Hey, Uno. He's really good. He doesn't jump on you. And this is Hank. OG cow dog. He's sweet. He won't jump on you. He likes to get a little licking on your hand when you're feeding him. And this is Mags. I get them confused. You'll see why. Lizzie, Mags. But I should know Mags because she's the one that's jumping and hyper. Oh my goodness. She's sweet. Let me pet you. There you go. And this is Lizzie. So what she's going to do is she's going to roll over and show me her belly. She likes to have her belly petted. And she's always had this right here on her head. It's like a scar, something when she was a puppy, I guess. She's sweet, so sweet. But now she's really protective. If she doesn't know somebody, she'll make them think she's gonna bite them. And then of course, we got cow dog here who is also our house dog, and her name is Voodoo. Voodoo, quit being shy. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. We've had her since she was a puppy. she's basically like another kid for us. She's our third daughter, our youngest, honestly. I found the rake and it's growing some kind of little not marshmallows, mushrooms on it. I mean, I think that's what that is. Little rake.
You got it?
Where's the rake at?
Booty comes out here and she visits with the other cow dogs. Melvin just built these two houses right here, this one and this one. And this is my design that we built about 2 years ago, I guess,
Maybe
3 years ago. And I did this so we could have the handle and he could get on one side and I could get on the other and we could carry it without having to use the tractor to move it. And it worked really good until you can see right here this, the dogs gnawed these off. Was it Hank had this one? Okay, it was Lizzie. Lizzie gnawed the ends off of this one so it doesn't have the handles anymore. So when he built these, he built them without the handles. He's had other ideas. He said that they are a little more secure like this way with the 2x4 up here at the peak versus here not having that. Hold on, Una, I'm trying to show. So really this was the only piece securing it right there. This is where we stack our crab traps, blue crab traps. We do that too. Get them cleaned and ready to go back out again, re-rigged up. We have quite a few out now in the water. I don't know how many. Melvin, how many crab traps do we have out in the water right now?
95 maybe.
95?
They got to all come home Thursday.
They gotta all come home Thursday? Why?
10-day closure.
Oh. Okay. And so without these cow dogs, we wouldn't be able to work our cows like we do, or we move them, or they get on their horses and round them up in bunches. And then they drive them or move them back to the cow pen so they can work them. Or if our cows are out, which happens sometimes, and they have to be moved back in the lease.
Things hard to control.
One of our little yard roosters. I gotta figure that new nozzle out we just got today from Tractor Supply.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to control. It's like when I twist it, this twist.
Maybe this way's gonna turn it off, it looks like.
Twisting
Leaking.
off. It's twisting off when I twist
Here,
it.
you hold that. Video it for me. Okay, so we get this back on. Okay, so now we gotta kind of hold our hand there so that don't. And then, okay, what's it doing there? That's making it.
Harder, maybe that way.
Yeah. I don't know about this, Haven. Okay, whoa. Now
Whoa.
we're doing. Okay.
Look at there.
All right, so we twist it right to spray it harder. The left will turn it off.
so complicated. Alright.